She was sold new here in Dallas. Probably lived her whole life here. And now she dies here in Dallas. 1984, I believe. Oldsmobile Delta 88. Two-door. Had this car been taken care of just a little bit better, man, this car would have been a nice car. I know it looks like crap now, but she could have been a nice car. She sold new. I've never seen this one before. Modern Olds Inc. of Dallas. Of course, the yard did that. Pretty sure, or maybe somebody else. I don't know. Maybe somebody came with a big old crowbar or something, because they took them taillights. This car was complete. Been sitting since I believe around 2000. That damage. That's the yard. That's the yard. This is probably, I think, about the only, this here and right here, I think is the only damage I think I saw in the car, as far as that probably wasn't caused here, or it wasn't actually. It was missing this bezel. I think somebody just took this. Oh, and it did have the ornament. Somebody took that. Power antenna. She's a Royale with cheese, man. And, oh man, I think these cars look so much better without that freaking quarter top, man. Oh. It's a quarter top on them, right? Yeah, I don't think, or full, whatever it is. That vinyl top just looks on these cars. This was caused here, as well as that right there. So they damaged up the fenders. The hood's in good shape. The doors. My brother's car, my brother has one just like this. I mean, I always forget what years his is, but essentially the same car. Pretty much same color too. I found quite a bit of these same color, both 4 doors and 2 doors. That bumper looks pretty good. Them the impact strips don't look too bad. Bumperettes. It's messed up there. Of course, the deck lid is gone, messed up. There's the info on her. Of course, you got your VIN. This here, be easier to. She got a 7.5. Oh man, I don't lock the damn thing. Good thing I don't need anything out of it. But yeah, man, damn. Man, like I said, I'm gonna tell my brother, man. Hopefully he watches the videos, he can see just how much better the car looks without that freaking top. Ugh. He needs this deal here. His is all messed up. He's having to slam his damn door, but on the driver's side. Check out the interior, man. Interior is actually not bad either, man. Underneath. It was rusting underneath, you know, but still not too bad. In terms of the floors. Look at that. It's got some mold on it, but and I bet this one would clean up. The problem is my brother's is power. He's got power windows. I'll ask him about it, but you know. Windshield, I don't think anything's wrong with none of the glass on this car, actually. Grills look okay. That bezel looks okay. Front bumper looks good. Like I said, hood's in good shape. I got my brother an aluminum hood Obviously the hinges are messed up. Got rusted so they bent. The rodents were partying up in here. This is definitely a rodent motel. Pretty sure it's like it's an old, probably 307 most likely. You can tell they took the stern column, took that stern column, and the ornament. But the hood's still in good shape. It hasn't bent. Like I said, I got my brother off of a 98, an Olds 98. I got him the aluminum hood with the aluminum hinges. Just, just makes it much lighter in the front. That's a whole hell of a lot lighter than that hood, than that steel hood. Like I said, we got some mold here, but I mean, it's got power locks at least, right? But look at the, I mean, really, that's kind of just faded from the sun. Luckily, the tint on there saved it. But I mean, I don't see any rips on these, man. And this dash has no cracks in it that I can see. It's not super soft. I might end up making a crack, but it's not bad. Pretty sure I don't see a crack in it. Although, never know, one might, I don't know. Probably could save it. Nothing in the glove compartment. I looked. This AM/FM radio, original. There's the mileage, 70,000. I'm inclined to believe it. Of course, we don't got the overdrive. We don't got a 200 in this one. Oh man, we got a buddy out here. See that? There's the. I don't see much wear on those pedals. Be careful, I don't get stung by one of these damn things. Not a whole lot of wear there. The seats, other than right here, this area here, a little bit right here, I mean, it's not too bad. Of course, it's a manual seat. I think my brother's just power. He's got like damn near power everything on his. He's got the pillow tops, if I'm not mistaken. I always forget, man. I get on this car. Damn near looks like nobody sat back here in the back. Headliner sagging. That's pretty common. I'll tell you one thing though, because his seat kind of leans a little too much. This one seems to be pretty good shape. Like I think this car, like I said, 70,000. I'm inclined to believe it. I don't believe 170,000 on this. I think it got parked, and then like I said, 20 years ago, and that was it. But I could be wrong. Shame though, man. I think my brothers have the upper lights. I don't think so. I forget. But look at that. He needs, like I said, this whole piece right here on the inside, because this is all worn out right there. Take a I don't know why y'all can see that, but well, there it is, people. There she is, man. I'm not a huge fan of these. I prefer the Olds 98 and the two-door. Oh, those look so nice, man. These here, they're alright, but my brother really likes his. So we're gonna get some parts, at least that one piece that he needs. Well, alright, people. It's gonna do her. Kind of a shame they let it sit for so long. And they just got, somebody just junked her. On to the next one.